हिँडेर जानु प्लान चेन्ज भएको छ हैन के छ प्लान भन्दै हाल्नु
Good morning everyone. My name is Satya and I'll be your instructor, and everyone has to take initiative in order to explain whatever has been explained to you before by our seniors. So I'll be there in front, and at the back we have Sanjog San, and I need one volunteer in between. Okay? In between, one more guide from your group who will be taking care of other things. So few things before we start is, when we are going from here, our plan has been changed. We are walking from here till Alubari and from there to Jorobangla, and we'll visit Higacholing, and then we are coming back. Okay? So, few rules that we have to maintain is that we have to maintain discipline. Alright? We walk in a line. Okay, our walk, complete walk from here till Jorobangla, it will be around 7 to 8 kilometers approx. Okay, so from here, right, this place from here via Alubari till Magdok, we are going to get around 4 kilometers. That will be our first walk. Okay, we are at the elevation of 2058 meters right now, and the highest elevation today we'll be climbing up to is 2258 meters above sea level. Okay, that is the highest altitude that we'll be heading, and after that we are coming back to the same altitude. Okay, I hope nobody's going to get altitude sickness. Yeah, no. Okay, that's the great. So this being our first hike together, let's have fun, all right, and let's enjoy this particular moment as well. And whatever we have learned, today is the day for the practical. Okay, so I wish best of luck to all of you, and I want you all to take initiative.
2 liter.
All right.
So you need to handle everybody, right? Wherever they go, Sanjogलाई report गर्नुपर्छ. Sanjogलाई सोध्यो भने चाहिँ तिमीले अब कहाँ गयो त्यो भन्नुपर्छ, रेस्पोन्सिबल. यताको चाहिँ को छ लिडर? यताको को लिडर? नवीन.
Okay, so wherever we stop, and before moving from that place, you have to do head counts. Okay? Because sometimes people go somewhere, we are not aware of it, so we may miss the guest. So we have to do always a head count. आफ्नो टिमको छ छैन, so it's your duty. Okay? हामी हिँड्ने मात्रै हो, म र सञ्जोग सर.
लिडरको
We are just kind of a porters only today.
दुईटा ग्रुपसँगै हिँड्दाखेरि मिसेर अर्को ग्रुपमा जाला.
Sometimes
2 लिटरले निकाल्नु पर्छ त्यसलाई फेरि.
client चाहिँ large number मा आउँछ, that's why you have to do all the head countings.
हिँड्दा आफ्नो गाइड अर्कोसँग जाला.
You have to brief yourself.
टिम बी कम्पिटिसन बेलुका भेटेर. Who will learn more?
So it's now 9:10. Okay? So before 3 we have to be back. So let's go.
भोलि चिया समोसा. We got 2 groups out here. Watch out.
पहिला दिनको के भन्छ यो टेम्पलको ब्रान्च चाहिँ यहाँ छ के भन्छ
ठाकुरबाडी
लालडिकी
ओके
नामै बिर्सेँ कि अहिले एकपल्ट सोचेर भन्छ नामै बिर्सेँ कि ब्रह्म समाजकै ब्रान्च हो यहाँनिर हो त्यही अब त्यति बेला त्यो उनीहरूले चाहिँ खासमा चाहिँ अब हिन्दुइजम बढाउनुको लागि चाहिँ त्यो समाजहरू खोलेको थियो र बादमा चाहिँ यहाँनिर टेम्पलहरू बनाएको र त्यो इन्डिया इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट हुँदाखेरि पनि यहाँनिर मिटिङ भएको भन्छ क्या जस्तै माथि स्टेपस साइड छ नि त्यस्तै अब यो टेम्पल पनि त्यस्तै खालको अब त्यति बेला इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ
Lebung, as we are going to Alubari, we can head to Alubari. It's 3.5 kilometers from here. Then, other than thank you.
Thank you. Adesh, give us a brief of Darjeeling.
Good morning, guys. This is considered as one of the historic places in Darjeeling, and this is the meeting point of many people. Tourists often come here to visit Mahakal Mandir. We can see Mahakal Mandir from here, so we can go Mal Road. We can have horse ride here. So people basically come here to visit Mahakal Mandir. It is one of the holy place in Darjeeling. So from here we are heading towards Alubari, which is 3.5 kilometer away from here. So let's go, guys.
Click the photo.
Moth.
You moth hai.
So somebody tell us the fact about the moth. Some few information.
They also fly in night time.
One photo is must.
And
It's a variety of
Species.
Okay.
species or spices?
Species.
By looking at its size, I think it is a mature moth.
Moth is English word or Hindi?
It's English word.
Okay.
Moth.
Moth means more.
Okay, guys, everyone.
Please delete this.
I think it's
Take the lady for a washroom. Then after each one we can go for a washroom. Right? Okay, understood? And yes, right now it's 10:30, so we are having a break. Anybody can use this time for going to washroom, and after 10 minutes, exactly in 10:40, we'll be right here as a group. Understood? Thank you. Thank you.
So, this monastery was made in 1914 for, the reason was for peace. Because that time World War First was going on, okay? And this monastery is one of the oldest monastery, okay? Not the oldest, but one of the oldest monastery. So during your training period, before we enter any monastery, we can always see 2 deers right in the gate, right? We can see that. And what is the symbol in between? Dharma Chakra, right? And at that point in time, we really talked about one monastery of West Sikkim that is called Peling. Pema Yangsi Monastery, right? So in that monastery, we also talked about what? Sandok Palri, the 7 layers of heaven. Yeah? The way it's been made, different layers. So the engineering of this monastery is also the same. So if we go there and look up, we can literally see the way it's been made, okay? Sandok Palri.
So this is Ningmapa Monastery or Alugumba Monastery. As we entered inside, we saw Avanatokeshwara and Guru Padmasambhava, and at the top Sanghe. And this monastery was built by Sanghe Lama. This Gumba represents peace.
So how was your experience?
It was very peaceful, and it was good knowing all the deities and seeing the statues. That's it.
Okay, wonderful.
So we are at
Gum railway station.
right now we are here at Gum station, and so this is one of the most significant station as this is located in one of the highest altitude among the Asian railway station. And right here you can see a toy train. Locally we call it joyride for tourists.
Now we are reaching Gum railway station, which is built in 1881. So its height is 7,407 feet.
So now we are heading towards the Yiga Choling, one of the oldest monastery in Darjeeling, and yes.
So it was built in 1850 by Lama Serap Gyatso. So he's
a Mongolian monk.
It's a Mongolian monk, you can say. And Pranay, anything else?
And this particular monastery is dedicated to Maitreya Buddha, also known as Future Buddha.
Yeah,
It belongs to Gelugpa sect.
Gelug sect. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's
No, it's not Kagyu. No, it's Geluk.
This head is
I'm sure about it.
All right. So once we reach there, then we'll talk about it. Okay.
So right there.
I had to work for 16 hours. Okay. No, let's wait for our team. Let's know about it.
Thanks for my insight, from heart. Thanks.
जस्तै अब यहाँनिर छ उहाँ मङ्गोलियन हो मान्छे उसले चाहिँ बाघलाई तान्दैछ है ऊ चाहिँ बोधिसत्वको उहाँ चाहिँ द म्यान रिप्रेजेन्ट्स मञ्जुश्री हो अन्त चेन रिप्रेजेन्ट्स अलकोतेश्वर एन्ड द टाइगर रिप्रेजेन्ट्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट वज्रपानी किन वज्रपानी इज अलिकति एग्रेसिभ है इट्स अ भेरी मतलब प्रोटेक्टर भनौँ न अफ धर्म कम्पेसन एन्ड विजडम त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ युल फाइन्ड ओन्ली इन गेलुक मोनास्ट्रीमा मात्रै पाउँछ बाहिरतिर एउटा यो पाउँछ तपाईँले यो उसमा के भन्छ हाम्रो यो बुद्ध पार्कमा पनि छ अगाडि बुद्ध पार्कमा यो छ अन्त साइडमा चाहिँ ट्रान्सफर्मेसन क्या कालो हात्ती सिसै उकालो चढ्दै गयो सेतो हुँदै जान्छ नि यो चाहिँ अब कारमा
यो बाघ त को भन्नु
बाघ चाहिँ वज्रपानी यो चाहिँ अब उल्टो चेन भन्छ when the Buddhism was declining in India so Buddhism he's taking Buddhism to Tibet so घ्यागर भन्छ नि घ्यागर भनेको छ घ्यागर भने चाहिँ अब तल इन्डियाको मधेसको मान्छे क्या कुड बी आतिसा हो कुड एनी अफ हिज सबअर्डिनेट अन्त बुद्धिज्म चाहिँ द्याट तिनवटा क्या उमाथि हो चेङ्ग्रेजी बुद्ध एन्ड द गुरु तिनवटा कुञ्जक सुन भन्छ नि तिनवटा चाहिँ लोगेर जाँदैछ यो चाहिँ टिबेटमा चाहिँ
It was very nice walking with the junior guys, hey? and being a senior, and I feel very happy like working with them and sharing my experience and sharing my thoughts with them, and I'm feeling very excited, and they're becoming new guides from our region, and I'm very thanks to them as well, because something like we don't know they shared with us, and thank you so much, Sati-san.
Domo arigato.
Domo arigato.
So how do you feel now after every walk, your experience?
Yeah, it was such a memorable experience. I'm just taking with me, and I believe it will help me to grow more and more in the tourism sector, and I am very thankful for this training, and especially Mr. Satyadeep and other our teachers who taught us several things about monastery, and this trail was absolutely memorable. Thank you once again. Thank you for Ramailo Service Cooperative Society who organized this training, and especially thanks to Mr. Saron, Mr. Pranay, Satyadeep and other trainers who train us beautifully. Thank you.
Namaste. I would like to thank and my gratitude towards Ramailo Cooperative Society for organizing such a beautiful hike. Additionally, we visited a monastery, had ample amount of good knowledge, and I would also like to thank our seniors and Jojo for sharing wonderful experience with us. Thank you.
नमस्ते सबैलाई। आज चाहिँ हामी रमाइलो कोअपरेटिभ सोसाइटीको अन्डरमा हामीले ट्रेनिङ गरिरहेको छौँ। यो वेस्ट बेङ्गल सरकारको तर्फबाटै गरिरहेको छौँ, अनि यसलाई हामीलाई ट्रेन गराउने भने चाहिँ हाम्रा रमाइलो कोअपरेटिभ सोसाइटीका हाम्रा दाजुहरू हुनुहुन्छ। सबैलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। तपाईँहरूले हामीलाई यति मजाले गाइड गरेर आज हामीलाई यसरी एजुकेसनल एउटा टुर गराउनु भयो। एक्सपेक्टेसनभन्दा धेरै हामीले कुरा सिक्यौँ। हामी एउटा साइड भिजिट गऱ्यौँ। सबैलाई धन्यवाद। अनि हामी सबै टिम, हामी सबैको तर्फबाट फेरि पनि धन्यवाद भन्न चाहन्छु।